We started preparing very well. Immediately we had the invite from them. Um, we knew Kaiser Chiefs have also qualified to participate in the CAF Confederations Cup, and therefore, when we got the invitation from them, we never hesitated to accept their invite because it's going to give us the opportunity for us to give that exposure to our players. Then also, it is a moment or an opportunity for the players to know what is at stake and what is ahead of us, especially when it is time for the CAF Confederations Cup. So we have really prepared for this particular invitational game, and I know Asante Kotoko is well known, and therefore we can't go there and disgrace ourselves. So we are well prepared for this particular game. Let me say that I followed the team right from Kumasi this morning. And the euphoria, the moments, they set off from Kumasi to Accra, you could see the joy, the excitement on the faces of the players, then also the officials who are part of the contingent. And it tells you how ready and how we'll be able to accept this particular challenge to go there to make Ghana and Kotoko supporters proud. So I'm very, very happy. I'm particularly happy for what I'm seeing as far as the player excitement is concerned. What we'll tell them that is we are coming. We are on our way coming there. We will receive whoever is ready to work with Asante Kotoko. So long as there will be this positivity around the team. It is expected that this is though a friendly game, but it's also a cup game, and therefore we are going there to fasten that particular relationship that exists between Kaiser Chiefs and Asante Kotoko, and we wouldn't want to mar that particular relationship. So we should be ready to abreast ourselves to sell out the positive around the team throughout our stay there in Durban, and that will be the good thing we will expect each and everyone. Whoever would like to get closer to Asante Kotoko must have it in mind that this is a team, this is a game that we are all going to enjoy, but then there must be something good from the camp of Asante Kotoko.